Russia has significantly expanded the production of cruise missiles and loitering drones used in attacks against Ukraine's critical infrastructure. At the same time, the country faces mounting difficulties due to sanctions imposed by the European Union and the United States, which have created shortages of essential components. According to a report by the private intelligence firm Dallas, the Russian military-industrial complex has ramped up the monthly output of X-101 cruise missiles from just 56 units annually to approximately 50 per month. To maintain such output, manufacturing facilities are reportedly operating around the clock in 3 shifts. The rapid escalation in missile production is supported by a covert global logistics network that bypasses sanctions. Western-made components are delivered to Russian factories through intermediaries, companies closely tied to Kremlin-connected oligarchs and the Russian defense sector. At the center of these operations is the state-owned Tactical Missiles Corporation, KTRV, controlled by the Russian government agency Rosomishestvo. The corporation's board of directors is chaired by Boris Gryzlov, a Putin loyalist, diplomat, and the current Russian ambassador to Belarus. Its CEO is Boris Obnosov, a former Russian envoy to the United Nations. Operating under the KTRV umbrella is trv-engineering, officially a private firm, but in practice a critical link in Russia's defense procurement system. This company handles logistics, procurement, and sanctions circumvention, focusing on supplying parts for missiles like the Kh-101, Kh-59, Kh-69, the 3M14 caliber, and guided bombs of the MPK type. trv-engineering sources components through shell companies in China and elsewhere, and many parts arrive through smuggling. One documented recipient is the Ural Design Bureau deal, which manufactures altimeters. Intelligence assessments indicate that production of these devices has already been partially localized in Russia. The only key component whose domestic production remains unconfirmed is the microchips produced by Integral JSC, a Belarusian manufacturer. Russia is accelerating its defense manufacturing capacity, indicating preparation for possible conflict escalation. Despite sanctions, it continues to obtain critical components for missile production. A complex logistics network has emerged to bypass international restrictions. KTRV and related firms serve as central coordinators of military procurement and manufacturing. Russia's ability to scale missile output poses an increasing threat to Ukraine and NATO nations. Defensa Info News Channel. Please put like, write a comment, and we'll be a sponsor.